Okay, back to our project where we're going to post an NFT for sale. We are now in part 5, which is pretty simple and straightforward. As I said before, we're going to post on OpenSea, and I will plan on showing how to post on some of the alternative sites, as well as how to create images using different AI tools. Okay, now we are on the Create a Collection, and I'm going to use the same image for everything. That is, I created an image on DALL, and I'm going to use that image as my logo, my featured image, everywhere I can, so I don't have to do any more work. I'm simply dragging and dropping the same file everywhere. Because if I'm going to do something with this later, I'll come back. And I'm going to call this Cape May Victorian Homes by Famous Impressionist. I'm going to customize the URL with Cape May Victorian. Collection will be category will be art, and I'm not going to put any links in, and I will now create the collection. Once the collection has been created, I could create another if I was going to do a bunch of NFTs. Right now I'm going to be working in my Cape May Victorian. I'm going to add an item to this. It's the image that I just created, and I'm going to drag and drop that image. And I'm going to call this Sample Home to show the effect. This, I'm going to just simply leave it here, and I'm going to be using Ethereum. Create a single NFT, costs nothing, as I promised early on, and I'm creating this. So it wants me to prove I'm not a robot. Now that the NFT has been created, I'm going to share it. Some of you may want to put it on Facebook, Twitter, or Telegram. I'm simply going to copy the link, send it to myself, so that whenever I want to show somebody that I've created an NFT, I just copy the link. Now for our project, if you would copy this link into your project submission, I'd really appreciate it, and I might even buy some. We'll see. So I copied the link. I'm going to go into my email system, create a new email, send it to myself. This is what the email will look like when your friend, relative, loved ones, rich relatives click on it. They will then go to this, and they can bid on this price. And if someone wants to buy it, they make a collection offer. They would have to connect their wallet, and now we're in cryptocurrency world, and things get paid for by their wallet. So they would come in here, connect their wallet. Remember, there's no login on OpenSea. They come in, they connect a wallet, and then they can make a bid on this, which I can accept or allow to continue to see if anyone else is interested. Okay, so we've opened the account. We maybe put a few bucks into it. We created a wallet. We then made our digital art. We connected the wallet to OpenSea and then posted our NFT for sale. Congratulations, we got that done. Ask questions if you got them. I'm happy to answer.